Pastora Marilyn. Can we interview you and ask some questions?
Yeah, of course.
Number one. Why is it you came out with the professions of being a pastor?
Because I believe I am being called by God. That's why I came out to become a pastor.
How many years do you serve God as a pastor?
Since 2008 up to present.
4 years. With that 4 years of being a pastor, what's the biggest discrimination you faced and how did you overcome that such thing?
Well, my being a single mom, single parent, my status is separated for 21 years. I guess that's the biggest discrimination I experienced in that. Well, I just let it pass by. So I guess I overcame that.
As a mother, how can you differentiate Pastora Marilyn to Mom Marilyn?
Yeah. As a mom, I work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no day off, no off. As a mother, I take care of my only child. As a pastor, of course, may limitations on my only child. As a mom, I have to attend to all the needs of my son. As a pastor, according to my limitations.
As we know, you are overlying the Spirit Church. Would you mind if we ask what are the things that you've done to make the church strong?
To make the church strong, I guess my being natural, my passion and my love for the congregation, my concern, being true to them.
What is your advantage being you as Pastora Marilyn with that of the other?
Aside from the looks. Well, I guess my advantage among my colleagues and co-pastors is my enthusiasm in serving God, my fire that is in me, and passion, the love for souls. I am not ashamed to preach the good news wherever I can.
Okay, as a pastor, what were the things you had contributed with other people, especially with your family?
Yung contributions my service, faithfulness to God, my loving desire to love God at all costs, all times.
And how about being the vice president and the coordinator of all the Christian born again youths in the Bull Forum? What are the things you share with the youth that make them more faithful to God?
My own experience. I share my own experience when I received the Lord in my younger years. My love. I always repeat the passion and the love I have for Jesus Christ. Just being true to yourself. And my principle is love God